On a rainy evening in Delhi, the city seemed wrapped in monsoon mist and old memories.
Hidden among the colonial buildings stood a small café filled with warmth and stories. Three friends gathered there, unaware that a simple conversation would change the way one of them viewed investing. Everyone says investing is important, but how do people know which company is worth investing in?
That's where fundamental analysis comes in.
Sounds complicated already.
Not really. It's simply understanding a business before investing in it.
As Mira explained, Arav imagined a magical garden growing around them.
Imagine every company as a tree. Some trees look beautiful, but only strong roots create lasting growth. Fundamental analysis helps us examine those roots.
So we're checking how healthy the business is?
Exactly. Now imagine the market is an emotional person. One day the market feels excited. The next day it becomes worried. The price may change every day. But the actual value of the business may remain the same.
So price and value are different things.
That's the most important lesson investors learn. When we analyze a company, we look beyond the numbers. We study its products, customers, leadership, growth potential, and competitive advantage.
So every company has a story.
Exactly. Great investments usually begin with great businesses.
What's the biggest mistake investors make?
Expecting a tree to become a forest overnight. Investing is a long-term journey. It requires a lot of patience.
Just like this giant tree. I finally understand. Understand what? Stocks aren't just numbers. They're businesses with stories, strengths, and dreams.
And fundamental analysis helps us discover those stories.